Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now I'm going to talk about the word Allah. Now I'm going to tell you the relation between the equation E is equal to mc square, that belongs to Einstein. Although this equation has gone through many changes, but the basic reality in the equation remains the same, that is presence of energy and mass in everything around, and that energy and mass are the only realities in this world. So look, E is equal to mc square. One day I was teaching in a class, and it was we were talking about E is equal to mc square and the word Allah. Strangely enough, a very strange idea occurred to me. It was that different letters of the word Allah were almost making the same type of equation, which is called E is equal to mc square. Although the equation has gone through many changes, but the basic realities of energy and mass in the universe remain the same, even with the later scientists. So energy, maybe dark energy, phantom, or the common energy that we know, and the mass is the same way that we know in this world, they are the same. So the idea that occurred to me was when I rotated different letters of E is equal to mc square, or the different letters of Allah, they were interconvertible. It's very strange enough, because Allah is an Arabic word. Everybody knows. E is equal to m square is an English word. Everybody knows. But they were really. Let me show. Let me show you how. The main equation is E is equal to mc square. Now look. See, for example, I rotated at a degree minus 90, and it turned into this figure. Then I converted m, I rotated it at an angle of plus 180, and it got this figure. Then I rotated E at minus 90, and it became, and it got this shape. And then the two bars of the equal sign, they were rotated at minus 90 to get this shape, and plus 90 to get this shape. So here you can see, this is the whole thing that appeared to be. C turn to this shape, M turn to this shape, E turn to this shape, and equals turn to this shape. Now when I combine these above shapes, for example this one, it became like this one. These two olives, they came over here and over here, and then this shape, it became the shadda. And this C, the last one, its shape came over here, and it became this one. So you can see the whole thing turned to the English formula, the basic formula that is controlling, that is, uh, that is mostly discussed in physics. E is equal to mc square, and that constitutes the whole of the universe, multiverse, and everything that converts to Allah, which is strangely enough an Arabic word. When I thought about the conversion, I saw that minus 90 plus 180 minus 90 were equal to 0. So the things that were seen by me, they were strange enough. And finally, about the scare. The scare is actually to reiterate these two double arms and shadda. Okay, they are iterating and reiterating both of them at the same time, that they are taking us towards Allah. The double lams and the shadda constitute the scare. So this scare is also satisfied in the whole of the equation. Now you can see what happens over here. The whole thing comes before your eyes. Thank you for watching. See you again.